Next, I will explain how to disassemble and clean the fuel oil strainer. There are two units of the same fuel oil strainers on the right and left side respectively, and they are used with the fuel oil filtering the elements on both sides during the engine operation. When you disassemble and clean them during the engine operation, conduct the work one by one according to the following procedure. First, shift the changeover lever to the disassembly position and open the air bleed plug. Open the drain plug and drain the fuel oil. Remove the bolts and cover and pull out the element. Chemically clean the extracted element using a surfactant or cleaning agent. Blow the compressed air from the inside of the element. It is more effective to use hot water of high pressure instead of compressed air. Also check for surface scratches, breaking of wires, corrosion, and other notched wires. Reassemble the fuel oil strainer in reverse procedure to disassembly. Finally, return the changeover lever to the use position on both sides and bleed the air. This completes the work.